and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have an unboxing of some small diamond paintings, and they actually come in a set. And in this particular set there are 16 designs. So if you would like to learn more about mini diamond paintings, then stick around and let's get started. This set is from PaintGems. I love PaintGems. I have several of them. I actually did several in the past 2 years. I am co-hosting once again this year with the mini event. And last year I did it on my own. This year I'm going to be co-hosting with Kimba's Crafts. And I couldn't decide which one I wanted to work on first. And so I actually did a decision wheel and came up with the floral edition. Now this box has seen better days, and I don't think it was like this whenever I received it. It's kind of bad here, but we moved and this was part of the move, and I think something fell on it if I remember correctly, but everything inside should be fine. I haven't opened it yet, but we will check on that together. This one is Floral Edition 2.0. There is an original Floral Edition that is older, but this one I think it's going to be a lot of fun to do. On the back of this, it shows that there are 16 designs. On some of the back of their paintings, it will show what the name of the design is. It didn't do that on any of these, and I am definitely not really updated. I'm not very educated on florals, so I can't tell you what is what, but we can figure it out together. So let's open the box. Everything that you need is in this box. You don't have to buy anything else to start working on your diamond paintings. I will put the link underneath the description if you'd like to join us on Facebook for our event. You also can do it via Instagram if you would like. Just make sure that you tag one of us. It will start in February. You do not have to have a finish. You need to have at least 3 canvases completed. That's not 3 kits, but it's simply 3 canvases. So on here, we have all of our colors here. We do have our alphabet. Most of the time they use alphas and they use letters, so alphanumeric. And sometimes they'll use other symbols, but for the majority of the time they just stick with the alphabet and then numbers. So we have several here. We have a pack of drills, and all of the PaintGem minis are all square. They do not come with any special drills, any enhancements, but you can easily enhance it with your own drills if you have any. So here are all of our 16 of these. I feel like you're further down. Let me bring you up just a little bit. There we go. So we have our stickers, and these are baggies. If you want to, you can just put the symbol on here, and then you can just work out it right out of the bags. I don't like to do that, so I will be kitting this up. I'm not sure when, but I need to do it before the 1st of February, so I guess it will have to be soon. Let's take a look at our toolkit. And here is everything in our toolkit. I don't use their toolkit, but if you need to, it is there for you. And it has this really nice material pouch here that you can use to store other things as well. It says PaintGem on it. And we have a pen with a single placer on the end. We have a squishy. This one is black. Most of the time I've been getting purple, but this one's black. And then we have some wax here, heart wax. Make sure you do take the plastic off of the wax, or you will not be able to stab your pen and use the wax. We have some tweezers that I can't really use these. These are plastic tweezers. I have a pair of tweezers of my own that I really like, but if you don't, these work out fine. These remind me of chopsticks. Anyway, I digress. This one is a 2 placer. And then this one I think is possibly a 7 placer or maybe a 9 placer that you can put on the other end of your pen if you would like. And then this one is our tray that you can use. And again, we have all of our stickers. Let's look at our drills. And the drills that are on here, these are for the entire 16. You're not going to use all colors in each one of your canvases. And so I like to go ahead with these and kit up into containers. But again, you can do however you want. But these are some gorgeous colors. And I can already see, look at the static. See how it's just clinging to the bag? That is telling me, watch out, we are staticky. That is craziness. What I'll do before I kit up, I say this every time, but I'm going to do this time. I'm going to put some really small slivers of dryer sheets in here and then just kind of work them in with my fingers and let those stay for a day or two before I decide to kit up. And then if I need to, I can go ahead and lay them out on another bounce sheet, or I can also use my static guard. Some people have put theirs in the freezer and say that it works. I haven't tried that yet. Some of these have more static than others. We are having a crazy winter weather here, and we are up for more snow possibly on Tuesday morning in Georgia. And so our weather has been absolutely crazy. So that is also part of the problem, I think, is just the weather. I'm just showing you all these gorgeous colors. These are going to be really pretty and fun. I will pull out some of my drills, my enhancement drills. I think I prefer to use that's really pretty. There's only a handful there, but I will pull out some of my enhancement drills, see what I have. I know I have a lot of ABs, especially in some of these colors that will work. That's not even moving, but I think that I would rather use the Soul Dust if I have any left from any of my kits. That's a really pretty green, $6.99. We have a few yellow here. I've never run out of drills when I am working on my minis for PaintGems. Those are really pretty. Now here's where the larger green ones come in. 704. That was used a lot for the florals, the first edition. And the same thing with the 701. And then we have a few of these. And you know, it seems like when there's more in a bag, if you look at this one, that doesn't look staticky. But then you look over here with just this handful, and look how staticky that is. So that's really interesting. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but, you know, who knows. But static is just a thing. So if you are kitting up and you get really frustrated and you want to just quit, just try some of the hacks that I have given you as well as others, and I think you'll be okay. It is just part of diamond painting right now, unfortunately. All right, so we have some gorgeous colors. Can move those over to the side, and I like to put those back in my box and store them that way. But let's take a look at all of our gorgeousness here. And a lot of times I will cut this down just a little bit because I don't like to have that number on the bottom. And so I will just use my rotary cutter and just kind of cut the bottom, cut the top, so it is also more even. Some of these aren't not even when they come off of their machinery, their printer. That's going to be really pretty. I like the colors in here. Definitely can bling some of this up. And I do have other drills. I need to pull all of mine out to see exactly what I have. And I more than likely will only bling up, not really the leaves part, but the flowers. This one is mainly leaves. That'd be pretty to bling up some of this here, and maybe some of the greenery, not all of it. That way it might stand out more. But these are just gorgeous. I like to keep these in a small binder that these fit perfectly in. And I'll show you once I get these finished. Those look like little mini houses. And then that's really pretty too. And I like all the different vases on here. Sunflowers is one of my favorite flower. I'll definitely bling this one up. And there's more greenery here. That's going to be a lot of dark there. And then we have this one. That's going to be really pretty. I like all the yellows and the oranges down there. And then we have this one. That'd be really pretty blinged up too. So there's a lot of opportunities that I can use some of my special drills that I've just been kind of laying around in a box, and I will be able to add those to this particular kit. If you have any questions about the event, please let me know. I would love for you to join. We also have some amazing sponsors for our upcoming event. I'm going to start having shout outs for them as well once we get everything finalized. But I hope that you enjoyed this little mini kit. And if you haven't seen a mini kit before, then you can see what a treat you're in for. You can get these done really quickly if you're working on a large canvas and you want to just have a quick completion. Just grab one of these and you can at least have a 4x6 or whatever size you have completion. I do that quite often because I do prefer to work on larger canvases, and just to see one of these small ones come to life and say I have a completion, that makes a huge difference in my motivation. I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye!